This was really my dream. Kasi wala ko na nakapamana, pero nagpangayo ko sa Ginoo, pag edad ko 50, mag-gown ko at mapahutin. This is the reception of my life for 15 years. Hamungan sa mga gabi are the people whom I love most. Ang inimbitan ko lang, damo imbitaron ko sa sinihay supposedly. Ba't hindi ko masarangan? Ba't hindi natigayon tungod sa akong pamilya sa sinihay? Ang akong mga utod were just invited. Ipadala ko sila invitation letters, invitation cards. Ang wala ka baton, karon batonon yan. Yung pahuli, ako sa computer. Okay? Di magkasakit, buot mo ng liit, kaya wala sa kanya bakal bayong ng yelo. Natulong kinit ko, kay laway siya. Si Tatay Namon, 95 years old. Tay, tindog kani. Tay. Okay? Our father is a very proud father sa aming nation. Okay? Especially sa akon, ay nawian ko sa kanya namon. Wala pa kong aqua principal's exam, yung panugig yun na sa amon palibot na principal na ko sa sitihan. So wala nga bati ka mo, paliyog, pag-umul-mumul lang kamo. Okay? So I really dream of this day, January 10, 2014, because this is just one moment in my life. Ang iba na nag-attend, din martialo ko gid. Pag hindi ka nag-attend, wala ka sweldo sa co-op. Okay? So social studies, kung hindi ka nag-attend, adlaw-adlaw obserbahan ta ka. That's why as nasubong, arap ka sila. For my friends, my closest friends in elementary and high school, they were there at the back. Amo na sila na ako, mga supporters. From grade 1 to grade 2, Former High School, some of them are my friends, were my classmates. Sa college ko naman, ang grupo namon Gmail, okay, stands for our names. Duwa naman nabilin, ala sa likod, sa from tourism and of course, Magdalena Luisa. Thank you very much. Ang isa ko pang amiga niya, wala ko lang, ang ato sa Rojas, nag-attend siya seminar para lang attend sa birthday. Nag-volunteer siya sa principal nila na siya ma-attend sa ila seminar. Kaya galing mas make out siya sa seminar. Ari siya. Okay? These people, subong agad I really love all of you. I've heard, ang ako mga utod, ma-argue gid sa niyo panghambal. Mamis, nanay, isa lang kabagay, you know me because na-confide ko sa inyo. But sa among pamilya, rayot gid ko na. Okay? It's good to go and say, I'm a new rayot. You know it. People in city knew it. Okay? Na rayot gid ko. Because when I worked at City Hall, pag hindi ka tsakto, pumahog ka. Diba? Okay, pero on the other side, I have the heart for all of you because I want you to learn. Sa duwala ni Kadlaw, ang hikots niya. Pag Lunes, ipamangkot ko sa grupo sa Day 7 and Social Studies, what is your plan for your birthday? I said, wala. Tuesday, namangkot, and they were starting preparing for this day na sila ni Tanang mauna. Okay? Wala pong kainis ang isa ko kabayo, hindi ka man yung puli. Mayari, hindi ka tatlo kabayo. Sponsor? Okay? So, ako ko nakapalangga sa sinihan. They started 3:30 this morning, naluktok, nag-upas ang idok sa among palibot, dahil may maharana, hindi lalaki. Babae sila tanan. Ang lalaki mga bana na, so wala ko chance. Okay? So that's it. The people in CTI, the social studies department, the teachers, my boss, my former boss, and of course, the grade 7 people, I really thank you for making this possible. Okay? For my family, my sisters and brother, my sisters sisters and brother. Kulang. Kulang is not perfect. I wish this tonight or this day for me, for my reconciliation. But it's not perfect. Anyway, that's not. Total pamilya, magkakita. You know kung ano ko sa sinila. You know what happened to me in sinila. You were with me during my laughters, my tears, at ang dami. And that's why hindi ko ni pagkalitaso ng bago hanggang ingay ni kung hindi matapos ang aton na birthday party. So gitawag ko tanan kong nanay because they were there beside me when I was still in first year high school until today. They really stood as my mothers, Mami Cynthia and the family. Daddy, thank you so much. Arakan sila. Please stand. Ako ang cover my family. Thank you so much. Mami Ken also and the family, of course, is also complete. Kasi ako sa ating kapatid, ito, dada, please stand up. Meron ko lang ang doon ako mga ulo. Kaya namin sila. Okay, I found another family, Nanay Des. Nanay Des is already 83 years old. She could not come, but her children were with us and the grandchildren. Masya mo na si Manong Kahuluyaon and si Manong Mariafe, they were here tonight because they share my joy in celebrating this 50th birthday. This is something memorable. Naalap ko ang videographer, wala ko lakasan na tabo, wala din. Amo lang ni, kita mo, wala ko kabalos ng program, kay hambal sa grade 7, hindi ka magpahindabot. Hindi ka magsulod. Kanina, kung nakauna ka maabot, nakapictorial ka mula imbayo ko sa gwa. Pero kung wala ka makaabot, pasensya. Okay? So this is the reason why I want to enjoy and to be happy. Because people here naara sa ako the department heads of the social staff of City Hall. Ara sila maski hindi kompleto pero ara sila. They are my colleagues sa level naman sila. Of course, my very best friend, the administrative officer of City Hall, Ma'am Hilda Romatico. As chairman of the cooperative, the people behind my back in working in the cooperative, of course, the staff. Please stand up kung people sila. Asang campaign people ara. Thank you so much. Okay? You stayed with us, with me until this time. And of course, special mention to my best friend, one of the Morog Moons of City Hall, Mrs. Lynette Medianero Havero from Norway. Okay? Next week pa siya kumutang maabot galing kay birthday ko. Naging abot din siya. Nag-overtime siya ubra para lang makaabot siya. Thank you so much, Mike. Thank you so much. Hello to all and to my family. Ang akong mga magulang, please stand up. Ito Amrit, Manang, Nahilit, okay, Nangiling, Siyam kami. Apat na lang kami dito, 5 kami sumuhan. Nagtawagan din naman God namon from abroad. Okay? So this is it. This is my life. I know it's open to all of you. And you have made this a wonderful night and day for me. Thank you so much, and I will treasure this forever and ever and ever and ever. Amen. Now, thank you very much to the people behind us, especially the working force. The working force. Naka-tension ko kanina. Naka-tension ko. Kailangan kung ako ang gamanage. Ako ang gamanage. Hasta sabay the night dito sa Dalo, fully paid na, pwede na ako kapanaog karon. Wala akong nagbayad para sa ako. Okay? That is so much you love me, people. Okay? You know who you are. Thank you so much. The working force, wala pa na sila. Isay, Lina, Jessica, Sila binagyan ako ng mga kapatid. Kaya sila nakalinda. Thank you so much. And the family. Para sila nalinda ang ibigaw mo kapalinan. Thank you so much. And of course, the staff of City High. Ang amon ng sekretarya, tatlogin silang president. Thank you so much. This is the day, the moment of my Tita Linda, now Mami Jola, Tita Dear, thank you so much also. And to all of you na hindi ko ma-mention inyong ngalan, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's drink to that. Okay? Mapailong ka, dahil ka mahal isang mortgage. Nagbuhay ang katuhong, hindi. Dahil ka mahal na ganitan kami, backload mo, 100, bayan mo mortgage to 50. Sa tasona na kami. Pati na wala kami gay, no? Manak wala kami gay, no, ma? Basta naman baka gay, no? Wala kami yan. This is the moment. May mga nalamig ako da sa March 1981. Yung pagwa nyo gig na klase auditorium nyo ko nakalpak. Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Isang tawag lang nandyan kayo lahat. Let's work together for good and hopefully, hoy, wala akong isang isa mo dito yan. Okay. Lord, thank you so much for the people behind my life. 25 years spending with Cynthia is a great honor and privilege. And hopefully, nasakit ko at kukunin kaso may promotion that is God's will. Kung ano man. To Him, I give back the glory. Okay? So, to those na nasakitan sa buhok, this is just a tribute. Sorry. Especially to my manangs and my manons. Sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry. Okay? So I got to all people that and thank you so much and hope to see you at my 60. Okay? 60 na retirement. Impulse. 60 lang. Okay? Every year, people around me, celebrate, nila akong birthday na celebrate ko. Thank you so much, mga nanay ko. May party ko mo sa cake. Ang ngalan na Alpha, each one of you should go home with a letter because you have been a part of my life. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart and from my feet. But the status ko. Thank you to all of you for loving me. Miski hindi taon ko, pero hindi pa ako kaya. Okay? So thank you so much. Thank you for being part of my life. And thank you for making me a part of your families. I really owe you much for this. I became who you are now, who am I now because of your advices and your love for me. Mapapicture ka na, hindi mo kulit. Okay. Thank you so much and let's drink to that. Mami Cynthia, please kuha akong diha sa little party sa cake. Thank you, grade 7 people. Thank you, social studies people. Kabay pa, mga pumili ka mo, mas igat nila, diretso sa balay nyo. Ha? Okay. Yes, announcement.